fuck, dude? Oh! If you click this video, you obviously have one thing you want answered. What happened to the roof-swapped RX-8? Let me sadly show you what happened. Unfortunately, she turned into a place for me to put parts on. So what ended up happening with my RX-8 was a number of things. I took it to the track. Which probably wasn't a good idea, but you only live once, so I did it anyway. I had 5,500 RPM bad breakup, couldn't find out why, and by the time we tried to assess the problem,
don't blow it up.
I'm gonna blow it up.
Shit.
It ended up getting 80 psi on the faces of the rotors, which isn't bad. You could still drive like that, but for my swap, it just wouldn't start anymore. So what I ended up doing was throwing that motor with 80 psi on all the faces to this MD. This is actually why I'm joining YouTube, and I'm trying to just share my journey to building a roof swap RX-8 and trying to do something pretty amazing to me. And I've thought about it many times where I would just sell the car and just move on with life. But instead of doing that, I am going to put everything I have into bringing this car back because this is my baby. I have literally poured. This is my first car, so I've literally poured my heart and soul into this thing. And I'm definitely going to bring it back. Hopefully, everything goes right and everything I find doing works. Because I definitely don't want to give up this car.